Hello everybody, I will now cook a survival dish made out of sardinas and upo with my daddy capturing. Safety first, put mantika in a pan. About 1 spoon. Second, put sibuyas, bawang, sardinas, upo. Ulam na din namin ito mamaya. Then, lalagyan ng patis. Betchin. Tapos, 2 cups of water pag kumulo na. Antayin maluto yung upo for 2 minutes. Taste the food, tapos tingnan kung luto na yung upo. Uy! Luto na! Patay na yung apoy. Serve your product. Ligpitin nyo, dapat ligpitin. Enjoy your food!